Yes. Hi everyone. I am SS Kiran. I am dealing course is electronic devices and circuits. Okay. In this course, I would like to discuss about problems on diode. Okay. Let's start with first problem. Determine the diffusion capacitance. Okay. Denoted with the CD due to holes in a germanium diode. Germanium means eta equal to 1. Okay, when the forward biased current id equal to 26 milliamperes, then tau equal to 20 microseconds at room temperature 300 kelvins. Okay, let's start with solution. You people must write given data. Okay, now here, first of all, you have to calculate VT value. Why? Because let us consider CD. Okay, CD equal to diffusion capacitance tau into ID diode current by eta VT. Okay, eta VT. Right. So VT means thermal voltage. Okay. Now VT can be write as VT equal to KT by Q. K means Boltzmann's constant, T means temperature, Q means charge. Now K equal to 1.38 into 10 to the power of minus 23 into 300 by charge 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Doing some mathematical calculation, you get 26 millivolts. Right now, this VT value substitute in this expression, you will directly get diffusion capacitance value. Now, CD equal to tau means I will write direct value 20 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Okay, ID means 26 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Diode current by eta value equal to 1 and VT equal to 26 into 10 to the power of minus 3 volts. Okay, then just minus 3 get cancelled. This is minus 6, this 26 get cancelled. So finally CD equal to 20 into 10 to the power of minus 6. This can be denoted with micro. So finally 20 microfarad. Okay, diffusion capacitance value equal to CD 20 microfarad. Okay, this is very important. So many times asked in gate examination and so many end semester examinations also. Okay, I will go with the next problem. Like, calculate contact potential V naught at room temperature. Very interesting problem. V naught. Resistivities of the P and N regions are given. One is the 6 ohm centimeter, other one is 4 ohm centimeter respectively. Right. Given that charge is also given, Ni intrinsic material is also given, mu P is also given, mu N is also given. So here there is a relation between sigma and resistivity indirectly proportional of this rho and sigma. Okay. Now at final, the resistivity of P region is 6 ohms per centimeter. Here I will start with the solution. I don't go in detailed. So very easy. So I want a contact potential V naught. First of all, I will write direct expression that is called V naught equal to VT into log or ln. Sometimes mention the log, sometimes mention ln. Nothing to worry. ND donor concentration, then Na acceptor concentration by Ni square intrinsic concentration, intrinsic material. Okay. Now we have to find out this ND value and Na value with the help of this mu P and this resistivity values. Okay, let's start with ND. ND is nothing but donor concentration. ND equal to sigma N by E means charge E into mu N. Okay, you have to write in the suffix. So this sigma N is nothing but 1 by resistivity. So resistivity value is given 6. So here I have written 1 by 4 for the N region. 1 by 4 for the for N region. So here I have directly write 1 by 4. So why? Because resistivity is given. So sigma is indirectly proportional to the resistivity. So I have written 1 by 4. So you know E value already, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Then what is the mu n value? Mu n value equal to 3800. This is already given. So if you're doing some mathematical part, then donor concentration is 4.1 into 10 to the power of 14 per centimeter cube. Then I will directly calculate this Na value without any wasting of time. I sigma P by eta mu, charge E mu P equal to, so this is inversely proportional of the resistivity. So 1 by 6 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Mu P value equal to 1800 centimeters. I will write directly 1800. So doing all the mathematical part, the final value is 5.78 into 10 to the power of 14 per centimeter cube. Once if I get this ND NA value, it is very easily substitute in this expression. Na is also given. So VT is directly I will write just before I have discussed about this VT. So VT equal to KT by Q. Just now I have discussed in this one, KT by Q. Then finally VT equal to 26 millivolts. So 0.026 volts. In expression 1, I have substitute the all values. So V naught equal to 0.026 into, either I can take ln or log with respect to base E. What is ND value? I have derived 4.1 into 10 to the power of 14 into 5.78 into 10 to the power of 14. Once again, I will check whether I will write. Okay, very good. 1.78 to the power of 14 by. So I have written Ni value. What is Ni value? Yes, 2.5 into 10 to the power of 13 whole square. 2.5 into 10 to the power of 13 whole square. If you use the calculate effectively, we can expect V naught built-in potential is directly, that is 0.154 volts. This can be treated as a built-in potential, or this can be treated as a contact potential. What is this? This is called contact potential of your given diode or given material. Okay, anyway, keep watching. I will upload more problems in this topic. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.